Hello students, I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to study the remaining part of the chapter, that is chapter number 14. The name of the chapter is Raju's Farm Standard 4, subject environment. So before we continue our chapter, let's just recall what we have learned in our previous video. In our previous video we have seen or read the story of Raju and whose father is a farmer. Raju is a little boy and he lives in a Vasai village, and this year also, like every year, this year also his father is going to sow the onion crop. Here Raju is telling us about different steps or all the steps of farming. First is telling about sowing the seeds. Raju gives company to his father and he helps his father in farm. Here in sowing the seeds, Raju's father is plugging the field with the help of bullocks and he is walking behind them and he is sowing the seeds. Here Raju is also wanted to do the same, but his father is not allowing him because he may drop so many seeds at one time or he may not maintain the distance. So here his father is telling him that it is necessary to sow the right amount of seeds at a regular distance. अगर हम जो रेगुलर डिस्टेंस है या फिर जो अमाउंट है कि कितना डालना है, या फिर हो सकता है कि वो ज़्यादा डाल दे, वो नहीं, उसे नहीं पता, इसलिए उसके पापा उसे अलाउ नहीं कर रहे. अगर हम ज़्यादा सीड्स कुछ भी ग्रो कर रहे हैं उसमें अगर हम ज़्यादा सीड्स डाल देते हैं या फिर जितने डिस्टेंस पे उन्हें ग्रो करना चाहिए उतने पे नहीं करते तो हमारी क्रॉप जो है वो हेल्दी ग्रो नहीं होगी. नाउ आफ्टर सोइंग द सीड्स 20 days हैव पास्ड. Now the onion seeds are started germinating. Now the onion seeds are germinating, and along with the onion crop some grass like weeds are growing with them. And here Raju is telling us that it is necessary to remove that weeds so that our crop will grow healthy. Here his mother, uncle and Raju is helping his father to remove the weeds. Now the next step is growing plants. Now Raju is happy to see that the onion crop reaches his knees. It means the onion crop is ready to harvest. The leaves of onion crop is started drying and its color is changing to yellow. Here Raju is also telling us that it is necessary to harvest the crop at right times, otherwise the crop will root in the ground itself. Now after harvesting, Raju is helping his father to pack the onions, and his mother and his auntie is cutting the dry leaves of the onion with the help of ilij, and his father, uncle and Raju is filling the sacks with onion, or you can say gunny bags, or in gunny bags. His father will take them in a truck. Now we will continue our remaining chapter. All of you open page number 112, chapter from your environment textbook. Find out and write. Given here are pictures of some tools used by Raju's family. यहाँ पे कुछ पिक्चर्स दिए हुए हैं आपकी बुक में जो राजू की फैमिली ने यूज़ की है. राइट द नेम्स ऑफ द टूल्स. यू हैव टू राइट द नेम ऑफ दिस टूल्स. ऑल्सो राइट व्हाट आर दिस कॉल्ड इन योर एरिया. और हमें ये भी लिखना है कि वो हमारे लोकल एरिया में किस नाम से जाने जाते हैं. व्हाट वर्क आर दे यूज्ड फॉर एंड फॉर व्हाट वर्क दे आर यूज. सो फर्स्ट द नेम is plug. The name in chapter is plug, and the name in our area or your area is हल. हम गुजराती में इसे क्या बोलते हैं? हल. The use of plug is to plug the fields. हम fields को जोतने के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, और to make row and to lose the soil. और जो हमें जो क्रॉप ग्रो करनी होती है, जो सीड्स सो करने होते हैं, उसके लिए हमें एक रो में सीड्स सो करने होते हैं। तो जो प्लग है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ प्लग वी कैन मेक द रो। नेक्स्ट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट इज एक्स। हम इसे क्या, चैप्टर में क्या नाम है इसका, एक्स। एंड नेम इन अवर एरिया और योर एरिया इज कोदाड़ी। हम इसे गुजराती में क्या बोलते हैं, कोदाड़ी। इसका यूज़ क्या है, टू लूजन द सॉइल एंड टू मेक और टू डिग द सॉइल। हम क्या करते हैं, वी यूज दिस एक्स टू डिग द सॉइल। द नेक्स्ट इज इलिज। द नेम ऑफ दिस इंस्ट्रूमेंट इन चैप्टर इज इलिज एंड नेम इन योर एरिया, गुजराती में हम इसे दातरडू बोलते हैं। एंड द यूज ऑफ इलिज इज टू कट द फ्रूट्स, वेजिटेबल्स, क्रॉप्स एंड ग्रास। ओके, नाउ पेज नंबर 130। मैनी स्टेप्स आर नीडेड टू कल्टिवेट क्रॉप्स। क्रॉप को या फिर जो हमारी फसल है उसे उगाने के लिए बहुत सारे स्टेप्स फॉलो करने पड़ते हैं। लुक एट द पिक्चर एंड मार्क देम इन द करेक्ट order. Now you have to look at this picture and arrange them in a correct order. Okay, so in first picture we have seen that one woman is taking the onions out. In second picture one woman is removing the weeds. In third picture one man is sowing the seeds. In fourth one man is digging the soil to lose it. And in fourth one man is cutting the large plants. And in fifth one man is packing the crop, onion. So let's just arrange. हमें राजू ने बताए सारे स्टेप्स जो हमें फार्मिंग के लिए करने चाहिए, तो उस हिसाब से हम इसे अरेंज करेंगे। तो इन स्टार्टिंग राजू के फादर ने क्या किया था, राजू के फादर ने जो सॉइल थी उसे विद द हेल्प ऑफ एक्स डिग किया था। तो इन हियर दिस पिक्चर, फोर्थ पिक्चर, वन मैन इज लूजिंग द सॉइल और डिगिंग द सॉइल। सो यू हैव टू राइट नंबर 1 इन योर फोर्थ पिक्चर। देन आफ्टर हिज फादर इज सोइंग द सीड्स। सो in this picture one man is sowing the seeds, so we have to write number 2 below that picture. After that we have seen that some grass or weeds have also grown with the onion, so they have cutted that weeds or they have taken out that weeds. So here in picture 2 this woman is taking out the or removing the weeds, so we have to write number 3 below that picture. After that they are cutting the large plants. So in picture number 5 here this man is cutting the large plants, so we have to write number 4 below that picture. Then their crop is ready, so they are harvesting the crop, they are taking out the crop. So in this picture, picture number 1, here one woman is taking out the onion. So below that picture we have to write 5. And after harvesting the crop, they are packing the onion. So in last picture one man is also packing the onion, so we have to write number 6 below that. What are the crops cultivated in your area? Write them. Now we have to write that in our area what are the crops are cultivated. So wheat, millet, custard, grams, barley, jowar, millet, cumin, etc. That's it students, I am finishing this chapter here. Tomorrow we will start our new chapter, that is chapter number 15, from market to home. Just go through it once so that you can understand it easily. Thank you.